Hey, it's Honda Locksmith here. Alright, we're going to do a quick video here on your 4-button remote. For this task here, you will need a flat tip because of that. And you will need a Phillips because of your Phillips screw on there. You will need to remove your key ring. So, with that being said, let's go and get the Phillips. You will need a smaller Phillips for this. Don't try using an oversized. It will strip the head of these. They are not the best of quality, but then again, there's not much metal in there. So we'll unscrew it, as you see, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Take your flat tip now, you're going to insert it right here, and you're just going to twist it, and you notice it just pops up. Go ahead and stop. The back part of the remote housing opened up. Here's your battery, which is a CR1616. Just take the corner of your Phillips, put it in that little crevice, and lift up on the battery. The battery pops out. These are new remotes we're using for the demos, so we're gonna go ahead and put it back in. I will point out that you see right here, 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 and here, those little plastic pieces are what holds this battery in. So you want to make sure when you put this in, you push down on the battery and it pops in, and all 4 of those locations are holding that in. The part you're going to also want to watch is when you put this remote back together, your main housing has this lip right here. That is where you will install the back part of the remote, like so. So it looks like this, and when you push it down, you'll bring the two together, and you notice it doesn't want to go. Stop, just move it over, because what you're trying to get is these little plastic pieces lining up inside them little holes. Gently squeeze it, you'll hear it pop, snap, whatever you want to call it. Go ahead and take your Phillips screw, and we'll go and put it back in. So we'll twist it to the right or clockwise, and you'll go in and you'll feel it bite. Once you get there, just give it a gentle twist, no oogas, and there you go, you've done it. You notice the red light comes on, battery's good. Thanks again for watching Honda Locksmith. Hey, if this video helped you out, go ahead and give us a comment down there below and a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching.